Hey everybody, it's Elaine from Lark and Lane Creations. I appreciate you coming by. Well, the other day I showed you a video where I had assembled this little pocket envelope, a little longer and deeper than normal. Well, I also had planned on showing you how to make your own postage stamps, not just from, the packaging, but how to actually print out photos that maybe you are saving or that you have on your computer and making your own stamps. Well, this sheet was laying there and I went on just about my business and forgot to share it with you. So that's what I want to do today. Anyway, that's just a couple. Now these are just some things, like I said, that I have in a file on my computer under digital prints. So, yeah, some of them may not be very exciting as a postage stamp. I don't know. These are the ones that I do want to cut out and see. The other problem that I realized that I had just done this on regular paper. I probably should have done this on something a little more stout. So I may have to go back and do it again. But let me walk you through how to do this. Now the computer that I use, of course, I use Microsoft programs. So you need to go to the file where all of your digital prints are, okay? Now, I will say they do all have to be in the same folder. So if you have them separated out, you are either going to need to print out by folder or move your files around a little bit so that you have the ones that you want to turn into postage stamps, okay? So, once you have your files assembled, and this prints out 35 at one time. It'll be 7 across and 5 down. All right. So 35 is what you need. Now, yeah, you can print in different sizes, and you'll see that when you get to the point that I'm going to show you. But at the top, you've got your file open now. Go to View at the top of the screen. You then want to choose large or extra large icons. Okay? So what that's going to do is that's going to actually show you what each file is. Because for me, like if I do something offline, it usually has some kind of funky name to it. And I don't sit and go through and rename everything because I just simply go to View and then I can see what I have. So now you want to hold down the control button. All right. And then you want to click on each photo that you want to turn into the postage stamp. All right. So now you've got 35 or so highlighted. You don't want more than 35 because then you're just going to run over onto a second page and kind of waste paper. So I would say always shoot for as close to 35 or under that you can to not waste your paper. So now what you want to do then, if you've got your, say, 35 chosen, you're going to right click and you're going to then pick print. All right, so then what's going to happen is it's going to give you an option, usually like 8 by 10, 5 by 7, 4 by 6, I think 3 by 5, and then I think it's called wallet size is what that is. And then you're going to have a contact sheet. And that's the one that you want to do, is contact sheet. Alrighty. So then it will show you what they look like up on the screen, your contact sheet, what it looks like. Now what I do is right below that photo there is a box that says fit to screen, or excuse me, fit to sheet. Now I don't check that. I uncheck it because I think it automatically comes checked. And what that's going to do is it's going to make them maybe not shrink down just a touch, that you actually get the whole entire picture in the contact, or inside of the little contact sheet. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. You want to get your files pulled together. You want to make sure that you're in the view mode, not details or list. You want to be in the view mode so you can actually see what you're clicking on. And then hold down Control and go through and click on every picture that you want to turn into on your contact sheet. Then you're going to pick contact sheet, or excuse me, right click and hit print. And then you're going to choose contact sheet. And then after that, you're going to uncheck fit to sheet. And then you can print. And it will print out 35, if that's how many you've chosen, on a page. All right, so that's a way for you to make your own little postage stamps, and add your own little embellishments for not very much money. So like I said, I neglected to share this with you the other day, so this is kind of a part 2. And if you have any questions, please just make comments down below the video, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. If I were more tech savvy, I'd be able to pull this up on the screen and show you as I went, but I don't know how to do that yet. One day, maybe when I retire. But right now, I can't worry about doing editing and all that kind of stuff because I am gone so much every day for my real job. And anyway, I hope you take advantage of this and make your own stamps. And yeah, you don't have to make them that small. Remember, you've got 3x5, 4x6, 5x7. You can pretty much make them whatever size you want to by using, go follow these same directions. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share my channel with your friends. I am still trying to grow this channel and show everybody that I do have some fun things to do and share with everybody. So please give me a thumbs up. Let me hear from you. And I appreciate you coming by. And I will see you down the road. And you have a good day. Bye, everybody.